Well, hello. Welcome to the Christian Leaders News. I'm Abby.
And I'm also Abby, and we are back in the Christian Leaders studio.
Good to be back. It's good to be back in person for those of us at the Michigan headquarters. And we're going to start today's news with an exciting sale on a credential, which is on our commended minister credentials.
Absolutely. So as you can see there, we are having 50% off any commended role kit or the credential itself. You can use that coupon code commended50 to get 50% off any of those credentials or kits, like I said. And the one Abby's holding here is the Commended Kingdom Minister, which is one of the newest roles in that commended.
Just released this month.
Yep, in the Kingdom Minister program. So we hope you guys are earning those credentials, and we want to give you a little bit of an incentive to do so if you've been kind of
newly earned it and maybe thought about buying it in the new year. I think it's a great milestone to complete and get in this new year, and 50% off is a good deal.
Absolutely.
So get involved with that. And again, we had that code up there, and you can go to our store and it'll be linked below as well.
Definitely. So as we've mentioned, as we're coming towards the end of January, we have been celebrating with Referral Month, and we have seen you guys out there strong, referring your friends, your family.
Exactly.
We check your numbers every day, and we're like,
we do. When we see somebody refer someone, we just, we thank the Lord for that person that now has learned about free ministry training online, or just wants to strengthen their Christian walk, whatever their reason may be for being at Christian Leaders. It's exciting. So it's not too late for you to join in, and we're going to be really pushing this referral all the way through at our March special where we do the drawings, and we're going to put those of you that do participate in a drawing. And this coming Monday, we're also going to do the first drawing for this month. So tune in. We'll have that on our YouTube and dashboard and all that jazz. But it's not too late to participate and become a part of that random drawing next week. So keep referring people. And also the person that has referred the most this month, we're also going to give a little thank you to, as well as if some of your people have completed the Getting Started class. So if you referred someone, follow up with them and encourage them to keep studying and get through that Getting Started class and keep going in their studies.
Definitely. So moving on to the next item, our network. As we mentioned last week, we are really excited to see how many people are continually active on our Christian Leaders Network. We have the link on the screen there if you've yet to create an account, or if you haven't been on in a while. We would love to join with you in fellowship on that site. And as you may have seen, if you are on there, we had a little dog cuteness competition going on, which is so fun. I loved scrolling through that and seeing all the pictures. So the winner of that will be announced next week as well.
Absolutely. And we have some more very exciting news, some new courses. Definitely. So we have a full-length course on international business by Professor Matthew. And he had actually done the strategic management course, which we have seen that you guys have enjoyed and loved that course. So international business was actually a course that I had taken with Matthew. So I really know it's a great course and highly encourage you to go over there and get enrolled in this full course, especially if you feel that pull and that calling to serve the Lord in some form of business, or maybe that pairs with your ministry. And I think kind of goes along even with what we've been talking about with the Kingdom Minister and some of those other things where, business can play an important role in your ministry. And many of you are international as well, so wanted to look at that more on a global scale of business.
Definitely. So we also have a new mini course, which is by Pastor Brian DeCook, on how to be a productive board member. So this is kind of a cornerstone course in that Kingdom Minister program. We know that many of you may already serve on boards, you may be interested in serving or called to serve on a board, and it really just is such a crucial role. And Pastor Brian talks about how it really can change your life and how it's an opportunity for you to impact a nonprofit or something you are passionate about, and really how to maximize those leadership skills in that type of role. So definitely a great course to check out. I love Pastor Brian. He's very fun to listen to, so make sure to enroll in that if you are interested.
And we'll end off here with a joke. So Abby, would Monday or Sunday win in a fight?
Ooh, I don't know. They both seem like good fighters.
Well, Sunday, because Monday is a weekday.
Oh, good one. I like it.
Well, thanks for tuning in with us on the news today, and we'll look forward to seeing you participating in all the fun ways, and look forward to next week on the news.
God bless.
God bless.